Finch birds are small, social songbirds found worldwide and are popular as pet birds. 1. Basic characteristics. Size, 3 to 6 inches long from head to tail. Lifespan, 5 to 10 years with proper care. Beak, short, stout, conical beaks adapted for cracking seeds. Temperament, very social. They don't do well alone and should be kept in pairs or small groups. Handling, most are hands-off birds and don't like being held. Some hand-raised zebra finches can learn to perch on a finger. 2. Common types. Zebra finch, native to Australia, the most common pet finch. Noisy, mate for life, and live in pairs. Gouldian finch, very colorful and attractive, but more delicate. Can injure themselves if stressed. Society finch/Bengali finch, native to Asia, very friendly and love living in groups. House finch, American goldfinch, purple finch, wild species common in the U.S. Darwin's finches, 14 species from the Galapagos with beak shapes adapted to different diets. 3. Housing and care. Cage, minimum 24 inches L times 14 inches, W times 18 inches H for a pair. Bigger is better since they need space to fly. Placement, keep away from noise, smoke, kitchens, and drafts. Sleep, need 10 to 12 hours of darkness. Temperature, 68 to 77 degrees Fahrenheit is ideal. Don't let it drop below 60 degrees Fahrenheit. 4. Diet. Main diet, seed eaters, but pellet-based food is better for pet finches. Supplements, small pieces of spinach, watercress, apple, pear, carrot. Essentials, millet spray and cuttlebone for calcium. 5. Behavior and sound. Male finches are the singers, especially in spring and summer. Each male zebra finch has a unique song. They're active, social, and usually forage in groups. 6. Important note. Finches have very sensitive respiratory systems. Keep them away from cigarette smoke and air fresheners. If a bird spends a lot of time on the cage floor, eats less, or becomes quiet, see a vet right away. For beginners, zebra finch and society finch are the easiest to keep. Want me to break down details for a specific type like Gouldian or zebra finch, breeding and colors?